I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Extreme video for Friday, the 8th of October. The long dry spell rolls along. This is the 11th day in a row without rain, and we're warming up as well as we approach the weekend. We'll peek out the window this morning, first off coming from Selma, Alabama. There's the Edmund Pettus Bridge crossing the Alabama River, and the sky's clear. We'll go east down Highway 80 to Auburn. Again, the sky clear there this morning, and up in northwest Alabama, look at Hamilton from Hamilton High School. The westerlies have retreated. That's the reason it's warmer. The big trough out west is lifting out as well, so things are pretty quiet. Temperature's not as chilly as recent mornings. No more 30s on that map. The cool spot is Anniston with 48 degrees. Birmingham sitting at 54. Nights will stay pleasant this weekend with lows in the 50s, but days will be noticeably warmer as highs get up into the mid and upper 80s. But the humidity stays low, so it's not like the 80s you see in May and June. And by golly, we just can't find any rain. This is valid through Tuesday evening of next week. You know, we were still going to mention isolated showers by Tuesday, but again, prospects of anything significant are certainly very slim at this point, as you'll see. And rain from the tropics not happening anytime soon. We've got a disturbance in the Caribbean that's just kind of sitting there disorganized. And Tropical Storm Otto finally got its act together. Initially, it did not look like a tropical system. It does now. Well east of the Bahamas, moving east. And there's the track. The current winds are 70 miles an hour, so this thing probably becomes a minimal hurricane for a while. Winds up around the Azores early next week. And, of course, no botherment here. Here's the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. Our trough in the west is lifting out. We've got ridging down here, big vortex over eastern Canada. And the bottom line is the weather today will be warm and dry. Most spots will be up in the mid-80s. Tomorrow, how about mid to upper 80s? The GFS is showing 88 tomorrow. The NAM is showing 87. And Sunday should be almost identical. Highs well up in the 80s with lows in the 50s. And again, not a drop of rain. Monday of next week, we stay dry. All right, Tuesday, again, the models have shown a little shortwave coming through here in various phases. The latest run shows more of an upper-low west of the state without a good southwest flow aloft, and that certainly doesn't look wet. The better rain with that would be over Texas. Wednesday of next week, what little dynamic lift comes through here might squeeze out a speck or two, but nothing to be excited about. There's Thursday, and again, you can see a little energy coming down the flow there over Mississippi, but there's just not much moisture to work with. So, I wish I could show you a good wet down here, but that's not happening. And a week from today, looks dry as a new surge of cool air comes in, although we note this run is not as cool. It's got the deeper push of cool air off to the east, but certainly the weather next week looks relatively benign. And we'll jump a little deeper in the month on the 21st. Here comes a big trough. And a cold front, that really looks like it might be our next crack at getting a decent rain day in here. And again, that's on the 21st of October, almost 2 weeks away. Look at the cold air coming in behind that. The following day, good northerly flow, the 540 line down to Nashville. That'd be awfully chilly if this works out. And on the 23rd, that would be cool and dry. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.